losing my faith today.
I'm falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the hate. It's just another war, just another family torn.
Falling from my feet today.
Just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Save me now.
I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me.
Just in time.
I've gotta fight today to live another day. Speaking my mind today.
My voice will be heard today.
I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man.
I'm not superhuman.
My voice will be heard today. It's just another war, just another family
My
torn.
voice will be heard today.
It's just another kill. The countdown begins to destroy ourselves. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Save me now.
I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me.
Just in time.
I need a hero to save my life. I need a hero just in time. Save me just in time. Save me just in time. Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive? We're in the fight of our lives.
When I'm ready to die.
Who's gonna fight for the weak? Who's gonna make them believe? I've got a hero living in me. I've gotta fight for what's right. Today I'm speaking my mind. If it kills me tonight,
I will be ready to
a
die.
hero's not afraid to give his life. A hero's gonna save me just in time. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. I need a hero who's gonna fight for what's right. Who's gonna help us survive? I need a hero who's gonna fight for the weak. Who's gonna make them believe? I need a hero. I need a hero. A hero's gonna save me just in time.
It seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the self comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. You got your shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel it?
We're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. No, we don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching, ain't about the bling, bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Okay. We need to take it back in time when music made us all unite, and it wasn't low blows and video hoes. Am I the only one getting tired? Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. If we all slow down and enjoy it right now, guarantee we'll be feeling all right.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel it?
We're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. No, we don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching, ain't about the bling, bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Yeah, we'll keep the price tag and take the cash back. Just give me 6 strings and a half stack, and you can keep the cars, leave me the garage. And yes, that's all I need are keys and guitars. And guess what? In 30 seconds, I'm leaving the Mars. Yeah, we leaving across these undefeatable odds. It's like this, man, you can't put a price on a life. We do this for the love, so we fight and sacrifice every night. So we ain't gon' stumble and fall, never. Waiting to see us in the sign of defeat. So we gon' keep everyone moving their feet. So we back the beat, and then everyone says it's not about the money, money, money. No, we don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching, ain't about the ba-bling, ba-bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. No, we don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching, ain't about the ba-bling, ba-bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. I've told you once, I've told you twice. Stab me in the back and you're gonna pay the price.
You want me back now, right? Well, let's rewind to that night. That night when lost from floor and love got sacrificed. And now you beg for forgiveness, acting just like a witness. You expect me to lie down and act like it's not my business. Now I realize your fingerprints were at the crime.
You think you know someone, and then it comes undone. They take the heart and run. Funny how things end up now that you're gone. Was your 10 minutes of fun worth this song? Funny how things end up now I'm gone.
Alright, get it through your head. I'm done with you, so go ahead and get back in this bed. You are. This time it's different. It's time that I settle the score. Now I realize fingerprints were at the crime.
You think you know someone, and then it comes undone. They take the heart and run. Funny how things end up now that you're gone. Was your 10 minutes of fun worth this song? Funny how things end up now I'm gone. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I gave you my life, I gave you my word. I gave everything to get nothing in return. I told you once, I told you twice. Staring at the back, now pay the fucking price. Bitch, say the hell out of my life. Say the hell out of, say the hell out of, say the hell out of my life.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Rapperville from Southeast Michigan. Thanks for watching our video of Love, Lust, and Liars.
Be sure to follow the link to our other video out now, The Enemy.
Our debut EP, The Heart vs. Mind, is available for pre-order December 10th, and you can purchase it on December 17th.
Hi Taylor. It's me again. I know you haven't seen our cover of your song yet, because you would have called me.
Watch it here. I also know that you haven't been receiving my letters because you would have gotten hold of me and then we would go on our picnic together and you would teach me your songs.
I can't think anymore. What is this? Is it a triangle? Is that a star and a squiggly line and a Batman symbol? What? You know what? You said you weren't going to bring it up. We agreed you weren't going to bring it up. And then there you go doing it.
Dude, people say a lot of things, okay?